Hi everyone, in this session we will learn how we can create the group join in the link queue. By two ways we can create the group join in the link queue. So this is the SQL type query and this is the lambda expression query. So both way we will create the group join in the link queue. So let's get started. Here I have created two classes. First is the employee class. Employee class have the three property: ID, name, department ID, and a department class have the two property: ID, department name. And also I have inside the main method. This is the main method. Inside the main method I have created two lists: employee list for employee class, it have the 5 record 1 to 5, and department list for department class, it have the 3 record. So I am gonna to create the SQL type query where result equal from d in department list join E from employee list on d.id. In the place of the equal we need to write equal d.dep id. Now I am gonna to create the group for the employee list E group. It will be hold the all employee list. So select new d dot e group. Okay, only so it is the SQL type query. Now I am gonna to create the for each loop for print the result. Where item in result. Console dot write line and here print the result means department list item dot d is the object for the department list dot department name. Okay, now one more thing, we need to the print the employee list against each department. So now I am gonna to create the one more for each loop inside the this for each loop. So here let the object name is item 2 and it will become from the item 1 means item dot e group, because e group have the all employee list. So here we need to the print employee list like that plus and item 2 dot name. Done. Now save and check the result. Run the program. See, the result is coming. HR department have the 2 employee, Alice, Eric. IT department have the 2 employee, John, Jacob, and support department doesn't have the any employee. Here also you can see, close it and see here only 2 department we are using, dep id 1 and 2. Dep id 1 means HR and 2 is IT. Support ID is 3, we are not using. So the SQL type query Linq query is working fine. Now also we can get to the same result by using the lambda expression. So now I am gonna to use the lambda expression. This is the department dot group join. Okay, and this thing here we need to the pass the employee list, then first parameter, second is the d equal to greater than d dot id on condition, and third parameter is equal to greater than e dot tab id. Now we need to the create two object for the department and other for employee list. So dep for the department, dep object for the department list, and emp object for employee list. Here equal to greater than new and this thing. Here we need to the pass both object dep and imp. Okay, done. This is the lambda expression. This is the lambda expression query. Here we need to the change. This is correct. Here only we need to change the in the place of the d we need to the use dep. Dep is the object. So dep. This is correct. And here we need to use the object emp object for the employee group, because emp object have the all list of employee, and everything is the same. It is okay. Now save and run. See, the same result as last is showing. HR have the two employee Alice, Eric, IT have the two employee John, Jacob. Support department doesn't have the any record, any employee. So in both way we can apply the group join. So thank you guys for watching this video.